Well, we've got lots of cautions here. Let me just adjust the camera here. What does it say? When both the tapes, if it's broken, no, it's not. So I'm assuming this is the Barker shoes that I sent for refurbishment, because it doesn't really say. But it's the right size and it's about the right time, because it's been something like 5 weeks, really. Now, the issue I had, sorry, I got off the mic there, is whether it was worth it, because there was a slight, I wouldn't say, yes, it was a crack or a split. The leather wasn't dry, but anyway, I'd assumed that they'd have, I mentioned it, I assumed they'd have got back to me and said, no, not worth it, if they didn't think it was. So, should be a complete refurbishment, we shall see. Quite a large box. Okay, it just says repair with the number. So here we go. Oh, the style number is is a Nairn. And on here it just tells you what's been done. Stitch welded, cracking on right upper. So, they made a note of that then. Okay. 150 pounds. Well, does make you feel a bit better, doesn't it? And this, I assume, is some sort of, I suppose it's a polishing cloth. Bring the light in a bit closer. I do like these laces. It'd be difficult to get hold of. They're kind of wax cotton. Hasn't been, I wouldn't have thought it would have been relined. I wouldn't have thought so. No. But looks very clean in there. Well, I'm not so sure. Wouldn't have thought they'd reline them. That's where the crack is, or was. So it looks to me as if they've, it's quite soft, so it's not like it was brittle and it was going to just come apart. And there is a lining to take the, so it's not going to poke through. And it looks to me as if they've just, that they've glued it. Could be wrong. Ah, gracias. Oh, now I know where to get them. I have to order them online, I guess. Because I've got some other shoes that could do with laces. Obviously a new footbed there. No, it can't have been relined. Well, no, I wouldn't have thought so. But it does look suspiciously clean. Anyway, I don't know. So there we go. Job done. I do happen to remember that I got these as a kind of shoes back in the day. It must be 30 years ago, and I couldn't afford such things. But I think it was Clark's, which is a sort of an average shoe shop. They've stopped doing higher end stuff now. so much, but I do the register and stuff really. But I do believe, if I remember correctly, and I think I do, that I paid 115 in a sale. So they were kind of half price, and I sort of couldn't resist, even though it was a bit of a stretch for me then. So that must be about 30 years ago. So I guess £150. If they carry on for another 30, not so bad. Looks like a good job to me. On we go.